Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we need to calculate the discriminant, which is we called also delta, equal b squared minus 4ac. So base of the sign of b squared minus 4ac, we have three different cases. Now, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, so we have two solutions. So x1, x2. So x1 equal minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and x2 equal minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in case b squared minus 4ac is negative, there is no solution. And the last case, if b squared minus 4ac equal to 0, we will have x1 equal to x2 and equal minus b over 2a. We're gonna do one example to show you this quadratic formula. Okay, let's solve this example by using quadratic formula. So 7x squared minus 13x minus 2 equal to 0. So first thing you have to do, determine what is a, what is b, what is c. So a is 7, b is negative 13, and c is negative 2. Now apply the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, which is negative 13 squared minus 4 times 7 times negative 2. Negative 13 squared, which is 169. So we have negative 4 times 7, which is negative 28, times negative 2, which is 56. So it's going to be plus positive 56. And if we add 169 to 56, it's going to be equal to 225. So in this case, delta is positive, thus this is greater than 0. And square root of 225 is equal to 15. So we have here two solutions. So x1 minus b plus square root of delta over 2a. So it's gonna be negative b, which is negative 13, plus square root of delta, which is 15, over 2a is gonna be 7. So the answer will be positive 13 plus 15 over 14. And this is gonna be 28 over 14 equal to 2. And x2, which is minus b minus square root of delta over 2a, is going to be minus is going to be 13 minus square root of 225 over 2a, and this is 7. So we will have 13 minus square root of 25, which is 15 over 14. And the answer is going to be negative 2 over 14. When you simplify, it's going to be negative 1 over 7. So this is x2.